Project code ITJCC10. Project title is Practical Multi-Keyword and Boolean Search over Encrypted Email in Cloud Server. So in this, the overall idea will be how we are going to share the message through Gmail in a secured way. In existing framework, so there is an encrypted email. So if the user is sending a message to another user, there are some issues while sending the message, or the data is hacked. So it has many issues in existing. So existing drawbacks is it requires a key and security has low and can't be encrypted. In proposed technique, we use public key multi-keyword searchable encryption. So by using this encryption, we provide a security for sharing the data through Gmail. Data sharing. Existing, they've used PEKS. So PEKS means public encryption. So keyword search. That encryption, by using this encryption, so the user can't able to send those data in a secured way. So kind of third party access or data loss, some kind of issues is being there. To overcome this, we are going for multi keyword public key multi keyword searchable encryption. So with hidden data. Architecture diagram. So in this there will be sender and the another one is receiver. Sender and the receiver. What sender will be doing is he will be registering and logging in with their original mail ID. So after logging in, so if the user wants to send the data to another user means, so for example, user one sender and the receiver. So if the user wants to send those data to user two means, so in this, there will be sender and user, and sender will be registering with their original mail ID. And after logging in, if the your sender wants to send a message to the receiver, means he can there will be of text box in that encrypt mail. There will be of in the name of encrypt mail. There will be of text box. Using the text box, he can message. The user can message, and after that, if the user sends the click on the send button means, So at the back end, so the what all the text is being typed over the text box, it will be getting encrypted, and after encryption, the receiver side, the message will be received by the in the encrypted format. So after that, so after sending the message, the for user one will be sending the along with that message, he will be sending a key. So for decrypt the mail. So after receiving, after the receiver receiving the encrypted message and the key, so after in the receiver main page, there will be of a decrypt message. So in that they have to copy and paste the encrypted message, and as well as the key also. It will be asking for key. After that, if you click on the decrypt message, means the message will be shown to you. This application can be used in Gmail along with this web application. Along with this application developed. Without this application, the user one can't able to encrypt or decrypt the message. So in future, instead of message, we can send image or audio in a encrypted format. So the application software uses MySQL and Eclipse. Why we are using MySQL means for storage purpose. So MySQL is the one. It is a relational database. So where we can store large number of large number of datas, store large number of datas, and it can be retrieved. What are the datas we want? It can be retrieved from it. So Eclipse. What is the purpose for Eclipse in this project? Eclipse IDE. So why we are using Eclipse? Eclipse is used for designing front end user interface, and for connectivity, the MySQL storage and the front end. So UI page, it is being connected through Java, and how we are going to connect those data, and what all the data in which column in which database should be stored, that is done through Java. So minimum requirement for this project. Thank you.